Hi there, I'm Mary from the Halton Hills Public Library, and today I'd like to show you how to make a really cool paper snake sculpture. So the first thing you're going to start with is drawing a snake. Now I've drawn out a snake. It is a letter S. It's the shape of an S. Now you need to, when you draw out your snake, you'd like to make sure that it's quite long, but make sure that the tail and the head are longer than the curves of the body. Once you've got your shape drawn out, then decorate it. I'm going to decorate mine with markers, and I'm just going to create a pattern. I'm not sure what kind of pattern I'll create. I'm just going to color it in with lots of different colors. Let's see. Doing a little bit of a zigzaggy pattern here. Like that. I'm just going to keep on coloring. Let's see. And I'm not worrying too much about coloring inside the lines, because after I've finished coloring it, then I'm going to cut it out. So I'm doing a little bit of fast coloring here, just like that. Here we go. He looks a little bit fuzzy, but I'm going to cut him out. Before I do that, I'm going to give him some eyes. There he is. Okay, so now I'm just going to cut him out. Shouldn't take too long. And almost. There we go. He's all cut out. So there is my beautiful S snake. And he's very colorful. I'm actually going to decorate him just a little bit more because I have some stickers. And what's better than stickers to decorate a snake with? Put a few stickers on here just for fun. Like that. And that. And as soon as I'm done the stickers, there he is. His snaky stickers just to make him look fancier. Now I'm going to turn him into a sculpture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the head and I'm going to tuck it through the curve of the body and bend it just a little bit and take the tail and tuck it through the other end. And now that S is like a figure 8. And if I put just a little piece of tape on the back of the head where it's hidden behind the body, and another little piece of tape near the tail, just to hold it in place, now you can see my snake is a sculpture, and it will sit. It's no longer flat. There is my snake sculpture. I made a couple more too. How about this one? I used stickers on this one as well. And I even did one just with colored paper. A purple snake sculpture. I hope you make a snake sculpture, and I hope that you have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.